If you haven't heard of a portable washer, I'm here to tell you they're absolutely amazing and easy to use. They work just as well as a full-size washer and are great for small living spaces such as apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and camping, aka glamping. They are easy to set up and put away. All you have to do is connect it to your sink or water supply and to the back of the washer. Turn it on, add in the soap, and add your laundry. You can wash things like towels, get the kids involved to wash their clothes, queen-size sheets, throw blankets, and more. An economical drying method are these retractable drying racks or a freestanding one. Everything will be linked in the description and comments, and to see the full review, please check out my channel.